Hi, I'm Darrel Hicks. I'm the principal at Safe, Clean, and Disinfected. Spent 34 years of leadership in hospitals and doing the housekeeping, infection prevention, and so I believe that that buildings can be clean, but not necessarily sanitary. But a sanitary building is always a clean building. So I believe in clean for health, and that we have many products and processes that put people at risk. But anyway, my company is about being safe, clean, and disinfected. So you don't have to give up one to be all three. When it comes to disinfectants, I believe that we have for years used more and more toxic disinfectants because of some of the new and emerging pathogens that are of real concern. Back during COVID, we were fighting a virus that we found out after disinfecting groceries and everything that didn't move. We determined that we put a lot of toxic and corrosive chemicals out there on surfaces and exposed people to. And so taking a step back from that, there were, everyone, the gold standard then was EPA's list N for products, disinfectants effective against the COVID virus. And I think one of the big things that EPA has done now is come up with a new and emerging virus for the future pandemics, because I do believe that we'll have another one. I don't know when, but the fact is that these viruses come in different sizes, and so as we look at the future, we need to be aware of this could be happening. But basically, I want to have people look at things, chemicals, especially disinfectants, that are non-toxic, non-corrosive, and by doing that, we'll save people's lungs, because our cleaners are exposed to some of these cleaning chemicals, and inhalation of those products has the effects of smoking a pack of cigarettes a day for 20 years. And so we need to do better at selecting disinfectants that are going to be non-toxic and to the environment and to humans. Sustainability is the future, and I think that we have to be aware of sustainability, but as an industry, we need to promote clean for health and make the buildings safe.